Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow microphone access in Loom video step by step. So this permission is important because Loom needs access to your microphone to record your voice clearly. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to open Loom in your browser and look at the address bar at the top of the screen, just before the website URL. You should see here a settings icon that looks like a small line with a circle. Click that icon to view the permissions and privacy controls for the Loom website. So once the menu appears, select Site Settings. So this will take you to a page where you can manage the permissions Loom is allowed to use, such as the camera and microphone. Next, scroll through the list of permissions until you see microphone. And beside this option, there will be a drop-down menu showing its current permission. And click down the drop-down menu, then choose Allow. And after selecting Allow, Loom will have permission to use your microphone whenever you record a video. And then your voice should now be captured properly during your Loom recordings. And that is all you need to do. You have successfully enabled microphone access for Loom in your browser. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.